Namaste, this is Nisha Thakur here, and in this series we are discussing about equations, how to solve equations, and in this video I am telling you how to solve quadratic equation by completing the square method. So let's begin.
So, in completing the square method, if given in this form, equation given in this form x square plus bx, so here we have to make perfect square, and for this we have to add b upon 2 whole square both sides, and then we can make this type of, okay. So this b and do it half and then square. So let's start the question. Here, what is b value? This minus 8, okay, or we can say just 8, okay. We want this x square means all x terms in left hand side, and this constant term we can shift other side. So for this we have to subtract 13 both side. So this is cancelled, and 0 minus 13 is minus 13. Okay, what is b value here? B value is 8, and do it half and then square. So 8 upon 2 is 4, 4 square is 16. So we can add both side, 4 square or 16, your choice, okay. So x square minus 8x equal minus 13, and add both side 16, okay. Now this one is perfect square, so we can write x here minus, that's why here minus, and 4 square. So like this, x minus 4 whole square, and minus 13 plus 16 is 3. Now taking both side square root, because we have to find out value for x. So first we have to remove this square. So for this we have to take both side square root. Okay, so x minus 4, because square root and square cancelled, and this is plus minus square root 3. Whenever take square root, this value, right hand side value, always we write in positive and negative form. Now both side add 4, because make isolate this x. Okay, so our final answer is x equal 4 plus minus square root 3. So x value 4 minus square root 3, and actually, or x equal 4 plus square root 3, and this is answer. So this is quadratic equation, that's why we got two values, okay. Okay, let's do second question. So here all x terms write left side, and this constant term move right side. So for this we have to subtract 6 both side, equal minus 6. Shall we take common from here 3? Yes. So 3 x square minus 3 times 4, 12, equal minus 6. And we can divide both side by 3. So x square minus 4x equal minus 2. 6 divided by 3 minus 2. Different sign, answer is in negative. Okay. So what should we add here for making perfect square? So b value is 4, do it half and square. So 4 divided by 2, 2 square. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is 2 and then square it. So this is 4. So x square minus 4x and add both sides plus 4, or you can add 2 square, your choice. Okay, now we can write x for this minus, and this is 2 square, so 2 square, and this is 2 because minus 2 plus 4 is 2. Okay, for we have to remove from here square, so for this we have to take both side square root, and here plus and minus also. Okay, so x minus 2 equal plus minus square root 2, and for finding x values we have to add 2 both side. Now this cancel and x equal 2 plus minus square root 2. So one value is 2 minus square root 2 and other value is 2 plus square root 2. And this is the answer. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.